Guys, most AI tools out there work like a basic chatbot. You ask a question and they give an answer. MoClaw AI works differently. It's a personal assistant built not for conversation, but for getting real things done. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we're going hands-on with the platform, from connecting your Google Workspace to automating daily tasks and even organizing your desktop. And what makes it worth looking at is how lightweight it feels. No complex prompt engineering or heavy setup required. It shortens the path from your idea to actual action, cutting down the time you'd normally spend on research and routine tasks. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Alright mates, so the first thing you'll notice when you land on the dashboard is that it doesn't feel like a typical chatbot. The idea here is simple. This is a workspace, not just a text box. You describe what you need, and the platform actually moves things forward. Now, the real power kicks in when you connect it to the apps you actually use. Let's start with Google Workspace, because this is where things get genuinely interesting. Head over to the integration section, link your Google account, and the process takes just a few clicks. Once connected, the platform can create and restore files directly in your drive. Not just generate text for you to copy and paste, but actually place finished work right where you need it. Friends, let's take a look at what that means in practice. Say you come across a code snippet or a technical screenshot and want to understand it later. Instead of bookmarking it and forgetting it, you send that image to MoClaw through Telegram. If that's where you spend your time, it picks up the image, analyzes the code, and writes a full explanation, dropping a formatted document directly into your Google Docs. It uses Google Docs skills to build the file, and it is genuinely interesting to watch the task being processed in real time. After a few minutes, a summary comes back to you in the same chat, explaining the Python code from the screenshot and confirming that the document is ready, with a link to the finished file. You can open it instantly and see a detailed explanation stored directly in Google Docs. So basically, you can trigger real work from your phone on the go without touching a computer. You can learn something useful or retrieve information later through the same assistant. Now, folks, let's test something many people assume takes hours: building a web page. MoClaw shows that it can be much faster. I send a simple Telegram message describing a developer dashboard with a modern dark theme and a responsive grid layout. Once the request is sent, the platform begins working immediately. You can watch it plan the file, launch the needed tools, and build everything step by step. In a short time, it generates a polished dev dashboard ready to use. Let's open the result, and honestly, it looks clean, professional, and fully put together. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's talk about scheduling, because this is where the automation angle really comes through. The platform has a schedule section, where you can set up recurring tasks. For example, every morning MoClaw can gather updates and prepare a draft in Gmail, ready for you to review and send. You don't need to search for anything manually. It handles the research and drops everything right into your inbox. This removes a huge mental load and helps you stay focused on coding and creative work. And you can route this through Telegram too, so the same summary lands in your messages, whichever you prefer to check first. Alright mates, here's something a bit different. The platform also handles image generation. If you need an icon for an app or a visual for a presentation, just describe what you want in plain English. MoClaw produces it right there in the same interface, no extra tools needed. That makes the tool useful for the full cycle, from idea to final visual. Next, let's look at Google Sheets. This one is really useful for getting messy information into shape. Say you've got a scattered list of Python libraries you've been collecting over time, just a rough text dump with no structure whatsoever. You paste that into MoClaw and ask it to build a proper spreadsheet called Python Libraries Vault. It analyzes the content, sorts everything into logical groups, adds descriptions, and drops a fully formatted file into your drive. The good news is that it handles all the organizational thinking for you, and the chaotic list becomes a clean knowledge base in seconds. At this point, folks, let's talk about pricing, because it's worth mentioning before we go further. MoClaw runs on a transparent model. The base plan gives you 1000 credits, which is enough for daily tasks. And here's the thing, If you already have your own API keys, you can plug them in via the Bring Your Own Key option. That way, you're not spending platform credits at all, and you pay only for raw usage at cost. It's a genuinely clean setup. One more thing worth mentioning: your data stays yours. Everything runs in an isolated environment using a cloud sandbox, and your preferences, history, and assistance memory are never shared with third parties. It's a private workspace, and that's exactly how it should be. So, my friends, here's the bottom line. MoClaw is worth trying if you want an assistant that actually completes tasks, not just talks back at you. The workspace integration is solid, the scheduling is practical, and the desktop connection brings it much closer to your real daily routine. Guys, if you want to give it a shot, head over to moclaw.ai. The link is in the description. It integrates with your workspace and also offers a macOS app where you can manage tasks directly from your computer. There's also a community on Discord and Telegram if you want to see how others are putting it to use. Sign up, connect your apps, and start with one simple task. If you're excited to try it out, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.